Hey everyone, so I'm not going to take too much time on reviewing up to page 49 because I realize you guys have already, that you've read this already. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little, highlight the part that we started in orange. He reached over and pulled the tiny musical insect out of her ear, Mildred, Mildred. The part in pink is when we find out that Clarice has died due to being ran over by a car. If we know that's true, I would love for you to guess. The next part is when we feel that, or I should say Montag feels that the hound is going to be like searching for him and looking for him. So he is definitely building this paranoia. And then the second section, or the third section, is when he starts feeling ill. He doesn't want to go to work. He begins telling his wife. He even throws up because he smells kerosene, and his wife dismisses it. And he begins to question about why he does what he does as a fireman. At the very end, Mildred still doesn't think he's sick. She's more focused and committed in making sure she keeps all of her materialistic stuff. And then at the very end, we find that he's just has such a guilty conscience in regards to the woman dying, and him feeling like he was a big part of that. And then the reading ends with her saying, "Look who's here." And then he says, "I don't care." And I would love for you to guess who's coming and what do you think is going to happen. So thank you so much for everyone being on time to our class today. What I wanted to quickly show you is two things. So the first thing that I want to show you is our dashboard. Homework has already been posted here. So if you were to click view all, you will notice that the homework for today is already listed. And make sure you click semester 2, not quarter 3, because you will not see it. If you click semester 2, you'll notice that the new assignment has been uploaded. It's just a quick summary. And I'm just going to quickly go ahead and open it for you because I definitely want you to be able to see what today's homework is about. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to write 2-paragraph summary of what you've read here. Please use textual evidence. You're going to write 5 to 6 bullet points from today's YouTube flipped classroom video. So I know I didn't say a whole lot, but just kind of recap what was mentioned. You're going to review the new online project milestone, kind of like the checklist. It's all based on our new online schedule. And there are some things you do need to write here as well. You need to write the names of your peers in your group. It's on the second page of this document. And then lastly, you're going to click this link and it's going to take you to our class page. So I went ahead and created and fixed up our class page because I do want you to be able to have everything, to have access to everything. Your online class link is here that you'll click every morning at 9:35. And then if you click Unit 6, you will notice that all the homework has been laid out there for you. You have your checklist, you have your assignments, your classwork, and tests and quizzes. If for whatever reason something isn't working here, please know you can always go to your dashboard. So let me exit out and just go back to the dashboard. And you will always see that the homework is posted. Just like I said, make sure that you are in semester 2 and not quarter 3, okay? And that is it. Thank you so much, you guys, once again, for being on time, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. All right? Thank you and have a great day.